Now I'm gonna do a cover of Muckalee Creek Water by Bryan. And if you don't know who Bryan is, you should probably look him up. He's very, very awesome. And hot. But mainly awesome. So, yeah. And I like his music.
What's up, guys? Today we are playing Attack on the Titan, the Alpha. Now, I honestly don't know this game is good at all.
So, yeah. Definitely look up this song.
It was really good right now.
It goes underneath the 32 bridge and cuts through the heart of South Georgia. Big copperheads and meanwhile pigs and gators in the weeds waiting for ya. My phone in the truck, I leave my truck at the road. My four-wheeler gets me where I wanna go. I leave the world behind, I put my hat down low. I get back to the moon spot, full moon glow at an old John boat that I stole down there on them hot summer night when I get a wild hair. Got a moonshine stash in a cypress stump and a catfish line going bump bump. An old tractor tire where to sit by the fire to drink to the sweet swamp song. You're looking for me, don't even bother when I dip my feet in that Muckalee Creek water. They brought me down here when I was a kid, taught me how to bait a crawfish basket. From the time I was old enough to walk, he had me down squirrels and rabbits. Feel right at home in this neck of the woods. If this was all I had, I'd be living good. So let the stock market do what it's gonna do. The dollar go down and gas soar through the roof. I got an old John boat that I stole down there on them hot summer nights when I get a wild hair. Moonshine stacks in a cypress stump and a catfish line going bump bump. I'm tractor tire where I sit by the fire and drink to a sweet swamp song. If you're looking for me, don't even bother when I dip my feet in that Muckalee Creek water. And I'm being in everything I don't wanna be. Nobody jacking with me, no sign of the city light. Not without city lights.
I'm gonna show you my lows. Do a round of Hunger Games and then
I got an old John Deere that I sold down there on them hot summer nights when I get a wild hair. Got a moonshine stash in a cypress trump and fish line going bump bump. No tractor tire where I sit by the fire and drink to a sweet swamp song. So if you're looking for me, don't even holler when I get down deep in that Muckalee Creek water. Muckalee Creek water. So that was Muckalee Creek water, originally by Bryan, covered by me. So yeah.